Okay, good morning once again, and I'm back, your maths teacher Abhatyagi, and we'll do exercise 4.4, question number 1, part 1. And I will tell you something, after doing the word problem, this exercise, you can feel it very easy. Because this is totally depend on the nature of root. We have discussed it earlier, but I'm just explaining you again that what are the nature of roots, and if he's asking for the nature of root, what we'll have to find out and how we'll have to find out. If they are real, then he's asking for us to find the roots also. Okay, so here is the equation: 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. And the nature of the roots we have to find out, and if the roots are real, means they exist, then we have to find them also. So first of all, we should know this nature of root depends on what? It is depending on D. D means discriminant. What is this? Discriminant. And the formula for D is b square minus 4ac. And you all know that BAC actually are the, if I just take the standard form of the quadratic equation in one variable, then A is the coefficient of x square, B is the coefficient of x, and C means constant term. So if you are comparing this equation with the given equation, what is the value for A? What is the value for A?
2.
2. A is 2 and the B is
Minus 3.
Minus 3, and the value of C is
5.
5. After getting A, B and C, we have to find out D. I told you that D is discriminant, and if D will come positive, that means greater than 0, D can come. D can come less than 0 also, and D can come equal to 0 also. Right? These three conditions will be arising here. D can be greater than 0, it can be less than 0, it can be equal to 0. If in these two cases, I'm talking about these two cases, here the roots are always real. That means this D help us to find out whether the nature of roots are real or not. So in these two cases we always have real roots, but if you are just separating them, for D greater than 0 the roots are real, but they are unequal also. Distinct, we can say it as distinct also. For D greater than 0, roots are real and unequal or distinct. But if D is equal to 0, for D equal to 0, roots are equal and they must be, roots are real and they must be equal also. So roots are real and equal in case of D equal to 0. Roots are real and distinct in case of greater than 0. Then what about the case of D less than 0? If D is less than 0, then the roots are not real. They can be imaginary. So you have to leave the question there by writing roots do not exist. Real roots do not exist. So roots are not real in this case. So there's no question of equal or unequal. So these are the three cases. First we have to find out D. Then we tell the nature of the roots, and after that we'll go for the solution. If the real roots are there, we have to find them by quadratic formula. Okay, so now we have the values of A, B, C. So accordingly D can be, B means minus 3 and B square minus 4, A is 2 and C is 5. Minus 3 square means, tell me fast, what is the value of minus 3 square? It will be 9. Minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are
40.
40. And what you will get after subtracting these two values?
Minus 31.
Minus 31. And this is less than 0. So what happened here? D is less than 0, therefore nature of the root will be, it will be
Imaginary.
roots, or you can write real roots do not exist. And if they are not existing, how can we find them? So real root do not exist because the value of d is less than 0 here. So we'll do now the second part of the same question, exercise 4.4, question number 1, part number 2. We have done just now the first part. In the same way we have to do this second part. I hope you can do it along with me because you know how to do this. First we have to find out d, that is the discriminant. We have the formula for d, b square minus 4ac, and before putting the values here we should know what are the values of b, a and c. So the values from the equation will get a equals to, what is the value of a? 3. And b is minus 4 root 3, and the value of c is 4. It is 4. Now put all these values here in the d. So d will be minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4, and that is the square of 4 is 16, the square of minus is positive, and root 3 square is 3, minus 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, and it is 48 minus 48, and you'll get after this a sweet 0, and this 0, what it will tell us? If the value of d is 0, I told you the roots will be real and equal, and he just tell us that if the roots are real, if the nature, we have to find out the nature, we have to find that. So I have to write that here. Roots are real and equal as d is equal to 0. Now we have to find that roots also. What are they? So for getting the roots we have to put the values in the quadratic formula, and you all know what is the quadratic formula. I hope you know. Tell me the formula for x. The quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root d. D means d we just have sorted out, minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now minus b, b means this one, minus 4 root 3 and plus minus 0 because the value of d was 0 and root 0 is 0 upon 2a. A means 3. So it will be 4 root 3 plus minus 0 upon 6. If we add 0 in 4 root 3, we'll get 4 root 3. If we subtract 0 from 4 root 3, we'll again get 4 root 3. That's why the two roots will come equal. Now I hope you understand why we write that whenever the d is 0, here the value of d is 0, and if you add and subtract 0 to any number, then the answer will always be same. That's why we'll get the same roots there. So I'll get from here 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6. One is this, or 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. And if you solve this, what you get? You'll get 4 root 3 by 6, or again 4 root 3 by 6. Can you observe both the roots are equal? You can convert it into the lowest form, that is 2. So 2 root 3 by 3, 2 root 3 by 3. These are the equal roots. So from ahead you have to put this in your mind. Whenever the value of d is 0, roots are real and equal. So this is the answer of the second part. Now you will have to try the third part with yourself. Okay, so this is That's all for today. We'll meet again tomorrow.